Holiday Square. Okay, now you're too close. I'm uncomfortable. Please go back to the square. You know why we call that the Holiday Square? That's because when we called it the snake pit, we couldn't even just sit there. It was weird. And we're off. Don't people. Sorry, I'm really bad at analogies. Don't wake about everyone on the dock. You're not gonna see them for at least 2 weeks. I'm kidding, you're never gonna see them again. Of course, you've never seen them before, and you're doing all right. One more, the world famous Jingle Cruise. My name is Skipper Sean. I'll be your ho-ho host for as far as we get. We're now entering the Amazon rainforest. Here in the Amazon rainforest, rain up to 365 days a year. By my calculations, that's almost every other day. If you look off to either side, you'll see some of our humbugs. And if you listen really closely, you might hear their calls. Bah! Bah! They're the humbugs.
And over here, we're going to have inspiration song. Everyone say, ooh. Now everyone say, ah. Wow, you've all sounded so inspired. Good job, I'm proud of you. Yeah, that's not really why they call it inspiration songs, though. Sorry, maybe you guys knew that. They call it inspiration songs because it inspires even the biggest of Scrooges to go caroling. Jingle cruise, jingle all the way. No, okay, maybe it'll work next year. We're now going to be entering the Congo River, so let's be so far into the Congo. Behind me is South Space and Bike. They're going to have everything you need to guarantee a very business. It's a happy Veronica, happy Canadian. So over here we have some flowers on dynamite levels. Those are so dangerous. Let's get closer. Oh, and you know what? I was right, guys. It is dangerous. It's holiday shoppers. Whatever you do not make any sound like a flat screen TV or goodbye. Yeah, they won't happen on screen. I'm gonna have this one property. But the name looks like we're all safe now. We're now entering the Nile River. You know, this is the most river in the world. Yeah, just go down the Nile. The Nile. The Nile. If you don't believe me, you are in. You're the boat, but that's going to tell you from here behind. So we're going to be some African elephants. You know, these African elephants are just so naughty. They still think they're getting presents. They're in the Nile. Fun fact about them, they actually have the best memory of down home. And I wish I had a memory like that. I would really help you with this job. So when you get away to the African belt, so I'm going to tell you guys what everything is so we can do, okay? So right here, we have the bearded reindeer. And then we have the long-necked reindeer. And then in the middle of the reindeer. And then we have some old-fashioned reindeer. I know that they're old-fashioned because they're still in black and white. Oh my god. Those wives are looking over the old-fashioned reindeer. We'll take them down. That is so sweet. Oh, he looks dead. Tired. Reindeer, wake up. I don't like this. Reindeer, wake up. Hey, wake up. Yeah, let's just let him rest in peace. Skipper Felix, are you doing good over there? You don't look okay. You guys, I told them not to argue with rhinos because they always get their point across in the end. Obviously, you didn't listen to me, no worries, but it's so awkward. Thank you, Mr. Rhino. I usually just turn up popcorn. You know, this is the hell that would be thing. You know, I got to think, what's the speed? You know, because I just got to the older example, something up here is something distant alligators. But that is not true at all. No. Because those are crocodiles. On the right is smiling on the left is this ginger. Be careful though because ginger's fat. This is more something. You know, ginger has been such a good relative, so we also said it Wow, that sounds so much like a waterfall. Oh no, why didn't you guys tell me? Everybody leave this way. Leave. Oh no, we're not gonna make it. No, I can't let it go. Oh, look at that. We made it. Good job, guys. I'm proud of you. You know, for a second there, I thought I was about to deck the falls and get start falling, but I couldn't do that, so we're good. Oh, and look at that right there. It says you can catch a plane during the holiday. It's a Christmas miracle. So, over here, this is going to be a really good example of what not to do on your Christmas list. Okay, kids. I asked my hungry hippos playing the games, right? And Santa touching literally, that's terrifying. And next year on my list, I'm gonna put hungry hippos in parentheses for game reasons. Not the real ones, they scare me. That's okay, I'll just leave them off like I did my last relationship. Look at them go like every time. My mom isn't really scary. No tolerance is that. Okay. It's not as scary, but smoke, get down. No, behind me, turn off your lights. It's Christmas carolers! Go away, Christmas carolers. We're not home. Oh no, they shot us. Someone pursued anybody. They won't help how they can sound. So anyway, during the holidays, I don't know what it is, but I always get butterflies. And now it is the moment that you have all been waiting for. Or not. It doesn't matter. We have to go this way. It's the eighth wonder of the world. Amazing. Let's do pivot. That's super cool. And fun at Christmas parties. That's right, guys. Get excited. It is the sunshine of water. It's the most miracle. Oh, dear, wait. Oh, dear, wait. Oh, dear, wait. Oh, dear, wait. No. See, that's just a chemistry joke, guys. They kill us periodically. So, we're now going to be entering the Mekong River in Cambodia. It looks like there's a really scary dark tunnel behind me. Scary dark tunnel. And we're in Cambodia. That can only mean one thing, right, guys? It's Santa's workshop! Oh my gosh, Santa! I know him! This is so exciting. We can get sneak preview of our present. I need to make sure I'm not getting cold so I'm not going to talk. Santa's so weird. He's giving me cold for some reason. Wow, that was definitely not Santa's workshop. That was terrifying. Such a big show. I know it is easy meeting. So, if you guys look over there, you'll see Bertha. You know, Bertha is such a good girl with you, so instead of showering her with kids, we just decided to give her the gift of showering. It smells really bad. Did you guys know though, elephants actually have the best memory in the jungle? Yeah, I wish I had a memory like that. It would really help me with the job. Oh, look at the baby elephant laying in her mom, and it's so baby and love her. Oh god, that's close. You know, a lot of people think that's water coming out of their noses, but it's not. No, don't do it. Don't get a splat. Don't please, Santa's watching. Yeah, that's a little bit of dry humor for you guys. Anyway, I would like to take this opportunity right here to point out some of my favorite plants. That one. That one right there. That one.
That is our gift shop. Definitely not our lost and found where we take lost items and resell them for a profit because that would be unethical. And does that look like an unethical element to you? I don't think so. As we come around this last corner, approaching the most dangerous and festive part of our journey, the return to civilization.
You know, you've all been in outstanding book today, but in just a few moments, I'm going to need you outstanding on the dock. Before you get up and try to leave, though, you have to wait for the magical words from me. Okay, make sure the little one's not hanging off the skipper. You have to wait for the magical words from me, because I'm the skipper, and I'm obviously in charge. So just wait for those magical words. Yeah, keep waiting. This could take a second. I'm really bad at parallel parking. Okay, get out.